Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the chart you want removed. Click its area until the blue border and resizing handles appear. Once selected, make sure the right sheet tab is active and that you're not editing a cell. Press Delete or Backspace for a quick removal. If nothing happens, try Edit right arrow Delete. This first step removes most charts instantly, and it prevents accidental deletion of adjacent cells, so take a moment to confirm the selection before moving on. If a simple keypress doesn't work, click the chart's three-dot menu in the top right corner of the chart frame. From there, select Delete Chart to remove it cleanly. If you may need it later, choose Cut instead, which places it on your clipboard. Once done, make sure the underlying cells are intact. Deleting a chart never changes the source data. This menu route also helps when charts are layered or anchored and resist direct selection. After removing the chart, scan the sheet for any formatting shifts or frozen rows that might have adjusted visually. Adjust row heights if needed. If you accidentally removed the wrong chart, immediately press Ctrl+Z or CMD+Z to restore it. If a chart reappears or won't delete, check for linked charts, embedded drawings, or app script automation that recreates it. Disabling the script or unlinking the source will resolve persistent charts. That troubleshooting tip fixes most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.